Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. So today my topic is luxury front yard landscape ideas. Creating a luxury front yard landscape involves careful planning, attention to detail, and the use of high quality material and design elements. Here are some ideas and tips to achieve a luxurious and stunning front yard landscape. Hardscaping and pathways. Start by investing in high-end hardscaping materials such as natural stone pavers or brick for pathways and its driveway. Consider creating a grand entrance with an elegant driveway design leading up to the front door. Water features. Integrate a water feature like a fountain, reflecting pool, or small cascading waterfall to add an element of sophisticated and transcendent to the landscape. Elegant lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in highlighting the beauty of your landscape. Use soft, warm lighting fixtures to key areas like trees, walkways and other beautiful areas. So, greenery. Well-maintained greenery is essential for a luxurious landscape. OPT for a combination of well-manicured lawn, evergreen shrubs, and colorful flowers bed. Consider incorporating mature trees to add depth and a sense of timelessness to the design. Outdoor sitting areas. Creating intimate outdoor sitting areas with high quality furniture, plush, cushion, and stylish accessories. These areas can serve as a space for relaxation and entertainment. Ornamental garden feature. Install ornamental elements such as statues, trellises, and decorative pots to add visual interest and luxurious to the landscape. Privacy and screening. Use hedges, fence, or trestles covered in climbing plants to add privacy and create a sense of circulation. Symmetric and balance. Design the landscape with symmetric and balance in mind. A balanced layout creates a sense of order and elegance. Irrigation and maintenance. A luxurious landscape requires regular maintenance. Consider installing an efficient irrigation system to keep the plants healthy and vibrant. Artificial gravel. For a more sophisticated look, consider incorporating artificial turf for a pristine lawn or using high quality gravel for pathway and decorative ideas. Outdoor art and sculptures showcase art pieces and sculptures strategically throughout the landscape to elevate the aesthetic.